What's going on, guys? Bruce here at Bullish Currency, back at you with another Kishu Inu update. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's a huge help as you know, being a new channel, growing channel, wanting to share my information, my experience for for education, entertainment purposes. Not financial advice, just entertainment and education purposes. It is definitely helpful when you guys share. You never know who it might help. Comment below because you might know something we need to know, right? And definitely always appreciated. And that's it. Let's get right into this. So Kishu Inu, guys, we were looking at this, as it started to approach this area. I felt confident from here we might be able to go bullish again. As you see, we actually didn't, and currently we actually are breaking through another level. As you can see, now we got to wait until the candle closes to see what it actually is, right? Because this can easily climb all the way back up and create a very long wick underneath it. That's very possible. But when you look to the left, in all reality, it is still just a break and retest of this general area here. So we're not quite through. We're not quite just breaking through it yet. So it's not something to be worried about. Yes, everything seems to be bearish right now. I'm quite aware that especially the major coins are going to be in a bear market. It's already happening. It's already begun. We got a big solid, I think it was a daily and a weekly, uh, daily, I'm sure, daily engulfing bearish candle on BTC. So, I see the bear market starting potentially, but it could also just be a break and retest for a continuation to the upside. Of course, that's why we wait and see how the candles close and what story it is telling us, because that's what the candles are doing. They're telling us a story. You just got to learn how to read the book. So here we go. This is where we are right now. It's just like a break and retest. We're still in the zone. Yeah, we went a little bit further down than I expected, to be honest, after seeing this and this, and this candle. But it is what it is. That's why we wait till they close and see how they look. And this one right here started to convince me. This last one right here, that we were probably going to continue bearish, and that's exactly what's happening right now as we speak. So let's go ahead and take a look at some other things, right? Some data. As you can see, down 11%, right? All right, the volume is not bad right now. Let's check the holders. We saw Shiba climbing back up. There we go. Look at that. Kishu has not stopped climbing up, guys. Man, I like what I'm seeing. Holders are increasing steady. Got a nice little, you know, what was that, 1K, roughly 1K leap, right? Up. That's not bad, guys. Holders are increasing at a steady rate. That's always a good sign, because that means more and more people are becoming holders, which means more and more people are liking the project. Okay. I don't know if I read this overview to you guys before on Kishu Inu, but you can easily read it yourself another day. But yeah, I mean, look, it had a great start. It was a little rough for a little while, and then had another great bull run. And right now we might be just consolidating, just retracing, correcting itself. That's what's happening. Nothing just goes up forever. So if you're listening to this video as a noob, to this whole world of crypto and investing, one thing you're going to have to learn is to definitely not let things get to you, because the market's going to go up and down. Nothing just goes up forever, ever. Okay. So we see some positives still, even though we do see some bearish movement. We see positives as far as holders increasing. Um, and we do see the chart. We do see that, we still are in this area that is where we predicted that we would be in, for some time before it decides to go back bullish. And that's just what I see right now, guys. This is still in this 786 area, still at a retest area of a previous resistance level that it had. It's creating it into a solid support level, and really just got to see how this candle closes on the daily, and definitely got to see what happens with the next candles, right? Because we'll see what happens. Are we going to start breaking below this structure? And if we do, it's very obvious where we might end up being, right? So these are things you want to pay attention to when you're taking a project serious, because you're paying attention to it for multiple reasons: to know when to add to your bag, to know when to pull some bag, or to completely abandon the project. Like I just mentioned in the last video with Mint, Once I saw one key little number I didn't agree with, boom, I'm out. But we caught a nice 10x move on that anyway here at the bullish currency community. So hey, we still won. Kishu, same thing. We were up about what 6 or 7x, I believe, something like that. Got in way down there. So even as is right now, everybody's still happy. But for people who are educated and know how to do some basic analysis, they were able to pull some bag out before it made this big bearish move, right? So everything's bearish right now, almost, right? So I mean, even the Dow Jones was bearish. So I guess Robert Kiyosaki was right. We're going to enter into a bear market soon. So just embrace it and leverage it. That's all I say. Embrace it and leverage it, guys. But once again, this is not financial advice. Don't just buy something because I talk about it. This is just entertainment, education purposes only. You are an adult. You do what you must or what you will, whatever you want, basically with this information, right? So that's pretty much what I see for Kishu Inu, guys. Not much of an update, like I said, but I had to mention a couple key things that I noticed and wanted to share with you guys. But I do like that the holders are increasing. That's what I would expect, and it's a good sign, guys. So that's pretty much it for today's Kishu Inu update. Once again, before I write this out, let me just tell you what I would expect. So what I would like is, let me go down to the hourly candles. Let me go a little bit further into analysis here. So see, we're still just at a support level, guys. It's just a nice retest. So what I would like to see is some bullish engulfing candles start to form, kind of like this one right here that just straight engulfed this previous candle, right? Engulfing candle. And it made a nice moonshot before it gave us clear signs to take some bag as well for my traders and even my non-traders. And then it came back to the same support area, gave us some other patterns, gave us what we needed for another bull run, gave us some patterns, told us when to get some bag out. Now it's back down here at a lower support level. So same patterns we need. We need the same patterns that we teach over here at Bullish Currency, some basics. And one of them is just a clear, nice engulfing candle. All right. That's pretty much it. Some nice engulfing candles action. That's what you want to see. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Until the next one, stay blessed and make sure you stay bullish.